Avoidable blindness is a worldwide health crisis of epidemic proportions. With access to proper eye care, millions can be cured right now. Orbis shows us their vision for bringing awareness to this cause.
"37 million men, women, and children are currently blind. 28 million of these people are suffering needlessly. For all of the daunting statistics, one matters most of all. 75% of those suffering don't have to be blind."
Avoidable blindness is not an isolated medical problem, but rather the end result of poverty, lack of access to quality eye care, and public awareness. The challenge in the field is creating sustainable solutions to these very complex causes with very limited resources.
A majority of the world's blind population live in developing countries where barriers such as poverty and poor infrastructure hinder the development of adequate eye care facilities. The Orbis Flying Eye Hospital team recently landed in Cambodia with the mission of enhancing the skills of the region's ophthalmic community so that they are better equipped to treat and prevent the eye diseases that are prevalent among their populations.
The Flying Eye Hospital is a unique initiative launched by Orbis International that combines a DC-10 aircraft with a modern-day ophthalmic training center. It travels throughout the world, holding intensive training programs for local ophthalmologists, anesthesiologists, nurses, and biomedical engineers to assist them in their efforts to eradicate avoidable blindness.
Dedicated and expert volunteers from around the globe are the lifeblood of the organization. These individuals are trained and certified in ophthalmic care.
I'm a very lucky person. I go into work every day and I work with wonderful people, wonderful teams, incredible technology, and we restore sight to blind human eyes. We research ways to do that better and we teach others to do it. An amazing extension of that is to teach others at the global level and in that way contribute towards this awful, disgraceful problem of global blindness.
Strategic relationships that have been formed over the years are an integral part of the organization's success. FedEx is the leading aviation sponsor of the Orbis Flying Eye Hospital, donating critically needed aircraft maintenance and overnight delivery services.
Well, Orbis and FedEx go back almost 20 years. Our first support for Orbis really took the form of logistical support, leveraging our worldwide network and our courier services. As the relationship grew, FedEx took on a much more supportive role of the Flying Eye Hospital itself, a DC-10. We began to provide pilot volunteers, maintenance activities, and volunteers. And most recently, we've increased our cash donations to include a donation or a commitment of $5.5 million to the Orbis missions.
For those battling with preventable blindness, Orbis is giving them a fighting chance. But the biggest victories come one at a time, by restoring to them not their gift of sight, but their right to see. For 21st Century Health, I'm Gila Stern reporting.